Hello children, good morning. I am feeling good. I had a bath. I brushed my teeth. I combed my hair and I am wearing clean clothes. And now it's time to go outside for a walk. There are many animals in the environment. I have hair on my head, long hair, and I have short hair on my body. But wild animals have hair all over their body. And fish have no hair. Look! This is a feather. This doesn't belong to an animal that has 4 legs and walks. It belongs to a special animal. And this animal can walk and fly. It is a bird. Birds have feathers. Feathers, they do not have hair. And they can fly with their feathers. And they do not have arms or hands. They have wings. They can fly with their feathers and wings. Bird. This is a bird. A bird has many feathers. A bird has wings. 2 wings. A bird can fly with its wings. Bird. Bird. This is a bird. This is a bird. Wings. Wings. A bird has 2 wings. A bird has 2 wings. A bird has many feathers. A bird has many feathers. Birds can fly. They have wings and feathers. And they have a long tail with feathers. Birds have a tail. Birds have a tail. They have long feathers that are tail feathers. Birds have a tail. 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 A bird has 1 tail. A bird has 1 tail. Birds can fly, but birds can walk too. They have 2 feet. They can walk and they can run. Birds have feet. They can walk on their feet. Birds can walk. And birds can run. Birds can run and walk. Feet. Feet. A bird has 2 feet. A bird has 2
feet.
Birds have wings and feathers, a long tail and feet. But birds do not have a mouth and lips like us. They have a hard beak. Their hard beak picks at the food. Birds have a beak.
A bird does not have lips. A bird does not have a nose. A bird has a beak. A bird can pick up its food with its beak. A bird can make a hole in the tree with its beak. A bird can feed its babies with its beak. A beak is a bird's nose and mouth. The beak has two nostrils at the top of the beak. A bird has two nostrils. It can breathe through its nostrils. Nostrils. A bird can do many things with its beak. Beak, beak. A bird has one beak. A bird has one beak.
We can see birds high in the sky, and we can see them on the ground. But we can see birds in the water. They can swim in the water.
Look, a bird can swim in the water. It can use its feet to swim. A bird can use its wings to swim. A bird can swim in the water. A bird can swim.
Time to go for a walk.
Fly. Birds can fly. Walk. Birds can walk. Swim. Birds can swim. Fly. Fly. A bird can fly. A bird can fly. Walk. Walk. A bird can walk. A bird can walk. swim, swim. A bird can swim. A bird can swim.
Birds are amazing. They can move in different ways. How do birds move? Birds can fly. And birds can walk. Birds can run. And birds can swim. Birds are different. They have a different body. Birds have wings. And birds have feathers. Birds have a tail. And birds have feet. Birds have a beak. A beak is a mouth plus a nose. And on the beak is 2 nostrils. Birds have a beak. 1 beak. And birds have nostrils. 2 nostrils. Birds are an amazing animal.
What is a bird? What is a bird? Animals that have 1 beak. Beak. 2 nostrils. Nostrils. 2 wings. Wings. 1 tail. Tail. 2 feet. Feet. And many feathers. Feathers. This is a bird.